Hi, David. I'm going to send you a file that has this drawing so you can use this to create your shoe design. So what you're going to do first is you're going to take your cursor, go up to the top of the screen, and you'll see the pen tool. You want to select that, and you just want to click on the red line. I'm going to go all the way around. And the reason why you're staying right on the line is so you can paste this behind the actual outline. So right now it's filled with white. And if you come over here where it says fill, we're going to change that to red. So I'm just going to click right in the middle of this white circle. It's going to bring that up, and I'm going to take my cursor and go all the way over to this corner. Then I'll click out here. Now I have that color selected. You're going to go back up to the top of the screen here, and you're going to add a dot right on that line. Okay. Uh-oh, wait a minute. That's not what I meant to do. Let me delete that. We want to select it first. So we can see these dots around. Come over, grab the pen tool, and then you'll click right on this dot. And then what we want to do is we want to change this from being a straight line. So I'm just going to grab my cursor again here, come over to this mirrored tool, select that, and you'll notice that now we have these 3 dots instead of 1. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to grab that center like that. Then I'm going to go to each end. I'm just going to stretch it out to make it kind of fit the bottom of the shoe there with the curve. Then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to add some things to the shoe design. So we're going to do like a toe piece here, and I'm going to go back up here to the pen tool, and I'm going to make 3 dots and connect them. And now I want to fill that in on the toe piece. First thing I want to do now that I have that there, go back to my cursor. Then I'm going to make it black. So I'm going to click in there like that, come down, and now it's black. And then I want to kind of shape it to fit in this shape here. So I have it selected. Then I want to go to my pointer tool or selection tool, go down to sub select. Then I'm just going to click on that point there to make sure that it's connected. Have the whole thing selected, go back over to my mirrored tool, and you'll see that when I click on those points, it'll start to round it when I select the joint, the mirrored tool. Okay, so now I'm going to try to make this fit in that shape there. First thing I'm going to do is I have my sub-select tool, and I'm just going to grab this point, stretch it this way a little bit. I'm going to take this one down to the corner. Then I'm going to bring this up in here. Then I'm just going to turn this, start to move this where it fits in. Then I'm going to take that point, move this to here, and then just grab this point again. Now that I've kind of got that filled in, I don't want this shape right here. So I'm going to click off of it, and you'll see the shape that I have. I want to change it just a little bit right in here. So I'm going to select it again. I'm going to grab my sub-select tool. I'm just going to move this in. Put this whole thing up in here. So now, and then select this one. Bring that point down. And it's okay if it goes over the top of the black, and I'm going to show you why here in just a moment. So I'm going to do that. I think I'll move this up just a little bit so we're a little closer to the top. Drag this down. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this tool, and I want to bring it to the front. All I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to Modify, Arrange, Bring to Front, and now you'll see that that shape is now behind the red. And then I'm going to do the same here. I'm going to select it, but I think I want to add another point onto it because I need some flexibility for movement. So I'm going to go back up to the pen tool, and I will select a point right there. Go ahead and select this, and I'm going to grab this piece, bring it up here, drag this down here a little bit, and then I'm just going to shape it to fit the shape just a little bit better. Okay. Drag this out just a bit. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'll go up here and select this tool, and when I click off of it, you can see that it's not behind the red, so we want to send that to the back. I have this selected. Then I go up to Modify, like I did before, go to Arrange, and Send to Back. And now when you look at it, you can see that the red line is over the top. I still have a little issue with my shape in this point here. So I'm going to hold down my Control key, and I'm going to use my roller on my mouse. And now that I'm closer, I can really see what's going on. Then I'm going to go ahead and select my selection tool there, or deselection tool. Okay. Then I'm just going to take this point, move it up here, move this forward just a little bit. And now this shape is right under the front color there. Now I have this black outline for this shape. I'll scroll back out. There's a black outline, but I don't want that black outline. I'm going to select that, and I'm going to turn the outline red. So right here where it says borders, I'm going to click right in the center. Then I'm going to take my cursor and put it right up here. And now you'll see that the outline is red. This is all you're going to do to start it, and I will send you another tutorial so you can work on other parts of it. But that's how we're going to start, with just these two, with the shoe shape, with the drawing tool to create this one, or the pen tool, and the pen tool to create your nose piece or the front of the shoe.